The First Anglo-Afghan War, also known by the British as the disaster in Afghanistan, was fought between the British Empire and the Emirate of Afghanistan from 1839 to 1842. Initially, the British successfully intervened in a succession dispute between Emir Dost Mohammad and former Emir Shah Shujah, whom they installed upon capturing Kabul in August 1839. The main British Indian force occupying Kabul, along with their camp followers, having endured harsh winters as well, was almost completely annihilated during its 1842 retreat from Kabul. The British then sent an Army of Retribution to Kabul to avenge the destruction of their previous forces, defeating the Afghans and demolishing parts of the capital. After recovering prisoners, they withdrew from Afghanistan by the end of the year. Dost Mohammed returned from exile in India to resume his rule. It was one of the first major conflicts during the Great Game, the 19th century competition for power and influence in Central Asia between Britain and Russia. The 19th century was a period of diplomatic competition between the British and Russian empires for spheres of influence in Asia, known as the Great Game to the British and the Tournament of Shadows to the Russians. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.